Here's the setup, a GoPro 10, a gripper mount by Dango. Let's see how this setup works. Test ride today to the Dania vintage motorcycle show, and just test the audio without the mic setup to see how good or how bad it is with the wind noise, and we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the gripper mount all set up with the camera. Okay, here's what it looks like on the Schuberth S2. Nice strong fit, should come out pretty good. Let's see how the audio is. Okay, I'll see you at the show. Thanks for clicking on another video, Florida Outdoor Adventures. We're gonna skip a little bit the videos of Europe, and we're gonna film something locally here. With the new camera setup, we're gonna head to the Dania Beach Vintage Motorcycle Show. It's a very nice show here in South Florida. So I hope you enjoy it, and we're gonna test out the new camera and film some cool motorcycles. Thanks for watching. Audio test, stopped, no mic, the GoPro in the low position. All right, let's keep an eye for Massimo's and possibly Miguel's Super Tenerives. We gotta stick together, you know? Wow, there's a big turnout today. Beautiful day, overcast, nice and cool weather. Perfect. Okay, here's today's ride to the show. 2017 Yamaha Super Tenere Magnus. Huge turnout. I'm not sure how the audio came out while I was riding here. Riding with beautiful Gisela. And yeah, I was saying in the video, this is one of my favorite shows here in South Florida. The weather is perfect. And hopefully our buddies show up, Massimo, Miguel, and the rest of the guys. All right, let's take a look at the bikes. Thanks again for watching. East German model motorcycle from the time when the Berlin Wall was up, and these are very popular in Cuba, and I'm sure the owner of this bike is a Cuban, because those are the ones that were shipped by communist East Germany to Cuba. And now they're like a little collector's items here, and I guess to remind them how they were riding it back in Cuba.
primitive.
I know we're at a bike show, but I couldn't resist filming this Grand Cherokee.
That's a little old. Don't you? 70. That might be 70. Yes, I love. I would love to have it in my house.
You see how old?
No.
Telephone number?
2 numbers.
Telephone number 52. Not good for Mickey Mouse.
Aquí nos encontramos con el equipo Ducati, los más cool aquí del show.
¡Ey! Coño, si yo te iba a decir
Team Yamaha.
en el sitio de la cerveza y tú me ibas a encontrar rápido.
Cuando entré al parqueo aquí, no vi la zona de Yamaha VIP. Algo está pasando.
Estaba full ahí de gente.
Otras marcas raras.
Sí, había muchas marcas. No, yo me doy con el cabo Z también.
La bandera de tu país, ven.
No. Sí, máximo y la bandera japonesa.
Sí, bro, tanto tiempo que
Yo
estudiaste
tendría
allá.
que tener. Vamos a hacer un montaje con Yoshi. ¿Cómo es? El dueño
Yoshimura.
de Yamaha. Dándome la mano así, pero con montaje.
Tú tienes una foto de él, ¿verdad?
Tengo una foto, sí. Aunque yo he sido Honda y Yamaha, las dos, ¿eh? Yo he sido los dos.
Bueno,
Yo he tenido 1, 2, 3 Honda y 3 Yamaha.
Gino, ¿qué sientes cuando ves la bandera japonesa?
Tristeza.
Alérgico.
De alergia.
Adentro, bien adentro. Ahí tienes algo,
Me da
algún
grima, se
amor.
me eriza la piel, bro. Me enfermo, me da taquicardia.
Haciendo la primera.
Cuando se baja del FDC.
Esa es la segunda. Ahí está, mira, está
Tenía como que guardar.
la segunda también la sacó. Exacto.
Lucho, si ves este video, mira, esta es la moto de Top Gun.
Cuando él hace la vaina que el tipo acelera y se ve el avión que le pasa así. Esa es. Mira, tiene una chaqueta que dice Tom Cruise.
Ah, qué
Mira,
genial.
no, mira yo, dice Tom Cruise.
What's up, Downey? We didn't see you, man. We didn't see you at the show. We're leaving. Somebody took one of your panniers. Dale, buddy. Este modelo.
18.
18. Wow, que como pasa el tiempo.
Sí, es el tanque súper grande, raspar, rines dorados. Así tal cual. De 1000 o 1100.
And here's the best of the best Lady Fire. He hates it when I call it Lady Fire. Possibly the nicest Ducati at the show. Pikes Peak Multistrada V4. Downey, if you see this, that means you watch my videos. Thanks, man. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the motorcycles and the new camera setup. I'll put a link in the description for the mount for the gripper. I will catch you in the next video.
Jumbo square